Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most iconic tools in the jailbreaking community, the Cydia Package Manager with Neko Jailbreak. Let's get started. Search install Cydia from NekoJB.com. Then select the top search result. Scroll down the page and tap on Install Neko Online. You can install Neko Online with Cydia Jailbreak Pro, so install it. After the installation, open Cydia Jailbreak Pro and select Neko Jailbreak to install. Open the Neko JB app from home screen, and start jailbreaking your iPhone. Wait some seconds, you will get a new app called Neko JB. Open the app, here you go. Now you can install Cydia. That gives you access to a wide range of unofficial apps, tweaks, and themes that Apple doesn't allow. You can customize your device in ways that were once impossible. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below with your favorite Cydia tweak. Also, if you have any questions about jailbreaking or using Cydia, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.